Today we're packing for 4 weeks straight of traveling. We're going to Durban and then the Trans-Sky. And Will over here is going to show us some packing tips. She's able to roll shirts and pants really well, and it'll save you some space as well as keep your stuff from flying all over this place and falling out.
Hello, my name is Will. I'm gonna show you how to roll up these thingies.
So you can even throw it up in the air once you fold it. Wait, didn't you just fold that shirt?
I'm gonna do it again. So, simple. Yes. Turn around. Roll it up. And fold it.
Ooh, fold it over.
And now,
Oh, that's so smart. It's like a little cocoon of a shirt.
you can do whatever you want with it. You can throw it like to the wall. And it will do nothing.
Whoa! Guys, it's the next big thing in shirt throwing.
Yes! It's amazing. So now, kijk. This one,
Okay.
kijk. It just
It comes out.
throw it.
Yeah, that's not gonna do.
So now we're gonna try this one. I never did this before.
Oh, because it's long sleeve. We're up for a challenge now. So first fold the bottom of the shirt in, like out inward, like tuck it over. Like you know how some people cuff their sleeves? We cuff the bottom of our shirts. Okay. And we fold these lovely sleeves in.
Like this.
Yeah.
It's different.
Yeah, you gotta flatten it out.
Do it like this.
Oh, getting fancy.
See?
Yeah.
This one.
You're even lining up the stripes.
All of them. So this, and then you do this. And a little bit of that. Nice, still. So, yeah.
Yeah, so make sure you turn it around to do this, otherwise you won't have something to tuck in at the end. Then you can't throw it against walls and stuff. You want to have your shirt to be ready and rolled.
Then this side, take it, and then flop.
Ooh, that's so nice.
And even this one you can throw. Won't do nothing.
Oh, that's so rad. What a great idea. Right
and now
here.
we're gonna show you a trouser.
Oh, we're getting groovy now.
Wait for it.
Wait for it. This must be good.
I'm gonna I'll do it on the ground.
Okay, the ground is perfect.
Something, you know. Okay. Straight. Okay.
Okay, let's go for this.
Fold it up.
First time, we're gonna get this.
Yeah? Then
Yep. Straightening out the pants.
so
Okay, putting the legs together. Tucking the legs somewhat in.
yeah.
Yeah.
Then this one. Open.
Okay, so over the
Little
crease
bit.
there.
Yeah. And this one has to be like this. Okay? See?
Oh, tucking it in.
So
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then this, roll it up. What I normally do, because kijk, ping, see? So on my bed, I sit like this. And then yeah. Now you do the same, but this one is harder because it's too much.
Whoa, it actually does tuck all the way around.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Now you can throw your trousers around. Oh,
Yes.
got stuck in the window. Definitely the first time I've seen it like this.
So cool. It's really a good manner. Okay, then here sokkies en onderbroekjes. Here, come, medicine and stuff if
Yeah.
you know, like if you're in your period, because you need that. Yeah, because otherwise you're stuffed. I have the ABO kit of Joy. That's it. No, that's not. And then I
All you're bringing, wow.
shampoo, la la la.
In a bag, that's
And I
smart.
have
Pack it in a
these
bag so you don't
t-shirts.
spill it all over your stuff.
And and this is a kiss pillow.
Ooh,
and
a pulled up pillow.
I have t-shirt and I have trousers and a sweater. 2 sweaters. So that's enough, right?
Yeah.
I think it's too much. I have like 2. No, my overall, my black pants, my this pants, you know, this color, and this good training thing.
Training pants.
So that's actually it. And then I have 2 sweaters. It sounds not that much, but if I look to my bag, then I maybe make a mistake somewhere. But I don't care, I just pack it, because, you know,
As long as there's what?
as long as there's food.